think like because the engine mounts are worn, it like rattled the bolts loose or something. But yeah, there has to be an exhaust leak somewhere near the front by or before the in between or before the O2 sensors, which is causing like the issue. There also may still be an air leak because I still kind of hear a whistle, but that may just be the intake, like the AFE intake. I'm not 100% sure. And also, I'm just gonna let this camera record, and if anything, I'll just cut the lights in between, or I'll just edit it as raw footage. But we're just driving home from work, so yeah. And again, we're not gonna be doing anything exciting because, again, the engine mounts are very worn, and the front suspension still needs to be addressed. Whether that just be that it needs the shims, or that it needs all the arms that I bought. But if I can do it with just the shims, then I'll do that for now and change the front tires and then drive it like that for now.